Oh my god, my hands are getting sweaty carrying this to the water. That is how hot today it is. Right. I think Bella's keen to get in. You keen to get in, Bella? Oh.
If you get near enough to there's 2 lads at that jetty on the 2 inflatables.
Yeah.
3 lads there. Just tell them to come in, please, as we go.
Yeah. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark. I'll say Mark says you've got to come in. So yeah, we can go over there. Yeah, it's alright. That's alright. Yeah. So we're on a little mission now. So this geezer called Mark says his boy's got to come in. So me and Bella are going to go on a mission and tell him. Sorry lads, you've got to come in. Boss man Mark says you've got to come in, son. See where that boat's going first. Oh my god, what a lovely day. Oh, this is good. Got a bit of weight coming up, Bella. Let's see if we can get on this. Here it comes. Got a little bit. Whoa, yeah. Right, is any of your dad called Mark? Pardon? Is any of your dad called Mark? Yeah, he says, he told me to tell you you've got to come in or something. Come over there. Yeah. That's what it does. Yeah.
It's a documentary, right, about the Mary Rose, and one of someone who works for like marine stuff was being interviewed in that Jolly Sailor, and you can see like the elephant boatyard in the background.
Ah.
This is where we kayak.
Oh, I just remembered I've got a little protein bar in my bag. I'm going to have that a bit later. It's nice when you get a little surprise like that.
Can you name, if you buy like a boat like this,
Yeah.
can you name it?
Name it? When you buy a boat, you name it again yourself.
Oh.
That one there is the name of my first girlfriend.
Huh?
That one there is the name of my first girlfriend.
Whose girlfriend?
My first girlfriend.
I thought it was Rachel.
Rachel? Who's Rachel?
I don't know.
There's Rachel. I ain't girlfriend. Rachel. That just reminds me of Only Fools and Horses. Who's Rachel?
Who's Rachel?
Who's Rachel? The water's just all over the place. Oh man, you alright?
You okay?
Yeah, all good. Oh man, yeah, you alright? Yeah, look, as the tide's coming in, the water's just going a bit scatty. But usually makes us go a bit quicker. We're going in with it. So this bit coming up, right, just under the bridge. I remember last time when the tide was coming in, it was going a bit scatty. So just take it easy over that bit, all right? I can see it from here. Look, can you see the water's going in like funny directions? It's just where it's finding its place. Oh, wake me up. Wake me up. Oh, there's another boat coming. Hold on. Oh my god. What is this? We're getting bullied on the water. Right, we're clear. Right, we should be able to catch the current a bit here, Bella. Ready? Go. We'll try and keep to the right. Once you've straightened up. Ready? That's it. Just stay to the right. Right. You're going quick. Keep watching where you're going. This is good, isn't it? We're like gliding. Tell you what, this is the best hobby. Wake me up. Good thing about Bella's kayak back there, it's stable as hell, so I don't have to worry about her too much. She loves her boats. So good one. I can say you love your boats, don't you, Bella? Got like a little crane on it, that one. What's your game, son? What's your game? So, whilst me and Bella are waiting for some chips from the Floaters Cafe, we're looking at these buildings over here, right? And we were wondering if we would live on one of those. So, Bella, would you live on one of those over there? One over there as well. Yeah, I think I've looked these up online actually, and I think you can buy them for about 180 or 150, I think I've seen. The thing is, I'd be worried about your broadband connection. You're supposed to play Call of Duty when you're in there. Yeah. Priorities. Right, Bella's got her chips. Hold them up. That's it. She's got her chips, and I've got my Coke. Oh yeah. And I've got my little protein bar, not from Floaters Cafe, but I've got my protein bar. I remembered. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have that now actually. Right, I'm gonna have that and let the tide carry us down that way, I think. Here it comes. Whoa, whoa, oh my god. So me and Bella just found a nice little enclosure here, look. Just stopped off so she can finish her chips. How's your chips, Bella? How's your chips? Yeah, look, how nice is this under here? It's good, isn't it? Our new little spot, I reckon. Go to Floaters Cafe and just park over here. Lovely, nice little walk along here as well. Yeah, check out my new PFD. I've got the High Back 60 gizmo, and as the name says, it is a high back. I'll probably show you in another clip later, but yeah, it goes high at the back. Look at that, I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but that looks like the life, doesn't it? Look, they're getting pulled by that little motorised boat over there. They're laying down on their paddleboard. That's the life, isn't it? Lovely. That little doggy's come over to see us. He looks well happy. Gonna go on my boat.
Bye.
Oh, look at them. They look really happy, those cows, don't they? Oh no, we're getting attacked by a load of ducks. They're checking out the optimal. Checking it out, they are. I've got some on that side, and I've got some on that side. I'm surrounded by birds. Surrounded by birds as always. What can you do, eh? What can you do? Not bad, is it, having a yacht like that? God, look at Captain Serious over there. Look at that kayak he's got. Jeez. That's a bit of me, that is. It's gliding through that water. The water's just carrying me and Bella out. It's lovely. Right, I've got to ask, what the hell is that over there? Looks like some sort of, I don't know, carriage. So it's got like an electric motor on the back. There's a dog on there. Morning.
Is that motorised?
No. Oh, I'll take it as a compliment, not quick. He thought it was motorised. Oh, I'm happy with that. That's like a kayaker's compliment, isn't it? So is that motorised, mate? No, it's just muscle and skills. Look how absolutely, just look how absolutely packed this river is today. Like, what is this? We've just stopped off. Now, towing Bella back to the back to our launch point. Hopefully the knot I've done is tight enough. There you go. Oh, I can feel her now. There we are. Ah, little doggy. Oh, we've arrived. All good? Whoa. Try to pull you up a bit. Oh. Oh, what a trip.